My name is Jim Wash. I'm here with Kevin Rush, Attorney Kevin Rush, from the Genesee County Bar Association. We're here in coordination with the legal services of Eastern District of Michigan. And this is the fifth of 7 free legal seminars that we're putting on. This evening's topics are twofold. I'm going to be chatting about, as an overview of the Michigan No Fault law. And Kevin Rush is going to be chatting about premises liability and what you can expect in that setting. I would like to thank the Flint Public Library for providing this facility for this opportunity. With that, let me go into the topic of the Michigan No Fault Act. It is probably one of the most widely misunderstood provisions in Michigan law, and strangely enough, it affects everyone. Everyone who either rides in a car or drives a car. The fact that you turn the key in your ignition brings into play the potential application of the No Fault Act. It's called the Michigan No Fault Act, but there are actually 2 sides to the act itself. The first side is indeed a no-fault side, or it describes the benefits that you have a right to by Michigan law should you encounter an injury by way of a motor vehicle accident. That's one side. There is another side that is related directly to fault. I'll speak to both of those sides separately. Let me go into the no-fault side of the Michigan No Fault Act. This is the part of the No Fault Act. When we say no fault, it actually does mean no fault. And that is, if you find yourself in a circumstance where you are injured because of an automobile circumstance, whether it is completely your fault or not your fault, the rights and benefits that you have remain the same. So it's totally unrelated to fault in this one regard. Now, with that, let me suggest to you, I'm assuming the people I'm talking about are folks who are driving an insured automobile. Let me start at the outset to suggest that if you are driving and own an uninsured motor vehicle, you basically have no rights. When you leave Uncle Louie's 3rd bachelor party and you've had too many martinis, and you find yourself running a red light and end up in a cornfield, you still have the rights that we're talking about here, because it's totally unrelated to fault. With respect to the no fault side, there are basically 3 questions that we're going to talk about. The first question is, when do I qualify? The second is, what are the benefits that I can anticipate? And the third is, where do I get my benefits, assuming that I do qualify?